is huge.
I'm missing good stuff.
I can see the hole from here. This shit's too big. Look, I can see the opening from here.
It is. It's huge. It's a 19.
Oh, you're going down.
Which is funny. Which is only a 19.
Damn.
I know. They didn't come at you with a 14, huh?
Yeah, how about a 12? A 10? Can I get a neonatal?
Get you a little butterfly.
Look at here.
Oh, that's better.
Is that better?
Oh, you can barely see it. Come on.
Better.
Get a bigger one than that.
You know what's even better? Not having it yet.
So Laura, how you feeling now? Ay, Dios mío.
I'm giving you blue stitches, they
I'm
match.
taking my glasses off so I can't see anything.
Don't look at me, Muppet.
It's easier to wipe the tears off.
You see those 4x4s here? Can we get a box of tissue over here?
So you guys didn't hear about who was just in here last week?
Who what?
Who was just in here last week?
Ryan did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did he do?
Cut himself a coffee.
That was the coffee cup.
Oh, he was the coffee cup?
He was the coffee cup. Yeah.
Breathe.
This is wrong.
Breathe.
I think your battery's broke.
Tell me, Dennis, what do you think?
I think she needs to breathe. She's going down. You go, we go, Laura.
All around the bed.
Yes! Oh, we gotta go on this side. Here, I'll let you go.
Give me a sec.
You've got the important part. We're just here to keep your
It's the
spirits up.
actual patient. Look at you. Laying down the bed.
How far along are you?
5.